Okay, this is going to be a cold start on my 2002 Dodge Intrepid SE with the 2.7. The transmission blew up on me at 82,000 miles here. I got a new transmission sitting up in the shed, 23,000 miles. So it has been run here in about 2 weeks, and we've recently had a little bit of a cold snap up here. So let's start it up, see if it'll run, and let it run for a little bit, cycle everything, and get it all nice and warm. Other than the transmissions, it's a great car. I mean, engine's fine. For 2.7, mine's lasting 82,000 miles so far. I've changed out the water pump already. So, I mean, as long as you take care of it, it'll keep running, you know. Police and special gauges, Pro-Am seats, leather everything. Custom red. LHS wheels, soon to be replaced by Motorsport wheels. 2.7, cold air kit. Leaves. HIDs. You know, well, great car, just horrible transmission. So, oh, there it is. Just let it run for a little bit. Sounds good, at least. Just won't move. And there's the transmission. Doesn't that sound good? Oh well.